Master English vocabulary and grammar through acronyms and acrostics. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today we've got a super interesting topic to cover that can truly elevate your English language learning experience. We're going to talk about acronyms and acrostics as effective mnemonic devices to help you remember complex English vocabulary and grammar rules. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. First of all, let's clear up what mnemonic devices are. Mnemonic devices are memory aids that help you remember information. They transform information into a format that's easier to remember. This can be particularly helpful for language learning, as it's all about memorization and practice. Mnemonic devices include techniques like acronyms, acrostics, chunking, and rhyming, among others. So, what's the difference between acronyms and acrostics? Well, let's break it down. Acronyms. An acronym is a word formed from the initial letters of a phrase. For example, SCUBA stands for Self-Contained Underwater Breathing Apparatus. Acrostics. An acrostic is a sequence of letters where each letter is the first letter of a word in a phrase or sentence. The difference is, you don't form a new word. For example, you can remember the order of the planets with My very educated mother just served us noodles. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Acronyms can be powerful tools for memorizing vocabulary words. Let's take a complex word like avarice, which means extreme greed. Break the word down into its syllables. AVA rice. Associate each syllable with a word. A, apple, VA, valley, rice, rice. Create a mini story or sentence using those words. An apple in the valley cost as much as rice. Now every time you think of avarice, you can recall the mini story, which will help you remember the meaning of the word. Acrostics can be incredibly useful for remembering grammar rules or sequences. For example, you can remember the order of adjectives in English using the acrostic OSASCOMP. Opinion, size, age, shape, color, origin, material, purpose. You can form a sentence like, Old silly apes sing crazy opera music poorly, to remember the correct order for adjectives. Be creative. The more creative your mnemonic, the more likely you are to remember it. Involve emotion. Emotional elements can make mnemonics more memorable. Practice. Don't forget to review your mnemonics regularly to reinforce your memory. And there you have it. Acronyms and acrostics can be invaluable tools for mastering English vocabulary and grammar rules. I hope you found this video insightful. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more awesome content. Until next time, happy learning!